Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin with, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Start by removing the dust canister from the Dyson SV14. This is typically done by pressing the release button located on the top of the canister. Once removed, set it aside for cleaning. Next, take your Phillips screwdriver and locate the screws on the motor housing. There are usually 4 screws that need to be removed. Carefully unscrew them and keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor housing off. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the motor. If you need to disconnect any wires, take a photo first to ensure you can reconnect them correctly later. Now, with the motor exposed, use your soft brush to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum. After cleaning, inspect the motor for any visible damage. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to consider a repair. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the motor housing. Carefully place it back onto the vacuum, ensuring all wires are correctly positioned. Reinsert the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Now reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until you hear a click. Your Dyson SV14 should now be ready for use. If you're unsure about any step or if the vacuum isn't functioning as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, always keep your vacuum clean and well maintained to ensure it lasts longer and operates efficiently. Regular checks and cleanings can prevent issues that might void your warranty. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to make your life easier. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.